Hello everyone, welcome to the Ultimate Web Design Income course where you learn how to build professional websites and sales funnel from scratch without any technical or coding skills in minutes. So now let's take a look at few websites which you are going to create in this course without any coding skills or knowledge. Now take a look at this e-commerce website. This is an e-commerce website as you can see where you upload products for sale, see how beautiful it is, sell anything online with an e-commerce website just like Jumia and the rest. Look at it, you can even track your order whenever someone purchases something via your e-commerce website. They can track that order to see the order process. Okay, let's wait for it while it loads. As you can see, you enter your order ID, click on the track now. You can check either it's confirmed in processing, dispatched, or delivered. This is the admin panel where you can see your orders, sales, everything, set up your website without any coding experience. Very, very easy to set up. You can do this in minutes and get clients who need something like this and they can pay you a whole sum of 200,000 naira plus in order to get such a website. Now let's look at this hotel websites whereby people can come on to book an exclusive hotel or book a room in your hotel. If you are someone who owns an hotel, this is also very good for you. As you can see, people can come onto your website, book, check in, check out, check for room availability and the rest. This is the admin panel where you can see everything concerning your website, reports, and everything. Imagine building something like this in few minutes and getting paid nothing less than 500,000 naira for such a project. So those are a few of the things you're going to learn in the Ultimate Web Design Income course. See you in the course right there.